Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change server region in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, go to playvalorant.com. After that, click on support. Then, go to change region of residence. Over here, make sure you're signed into your Riot account. After that, click on check. Then, wait for it to load. Over here, if your region is listed incorrectly, Riot will show you an option to update it. After that, follow the steps Riot provides to change your region. If you're not eligible to change it directly, you can use a VPN to connect to another region and create a new Riot account. So that's basically how you can change server region in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.